अस्सलामुअलैकुम ऑडियंस, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद है कि सेहत की बरक़ात से कमा को लुत्फ़अंदोज़ हो रहे होंगे। ऑडियंस, बीए बीएससी और एमए एमएससी के 2 साला प्रोग्राम्स ख़त्म कर दिए गए थे। ताहम कोरोना की वजह से कुछ ग्रेस पीरियड दिया गया है, लेकिन चंद यूनिवर्सिटियाँ उसका नाजायज़ फ़ायदा उठाकर नए एडमिशन्स कर रही हैं। इस हवाले से HEC ने एक वज़ाहती सर्कुलर जारी किया है जिसमें कहा गया है कि स्टूडेंट्स आर एडवाइज्ड नॉट टू वेस्ट देयर टाइम एंड मनी by enrolling in unauthorized degree programs such as 2-year BA, BSc or MA, MSc programs. These programs have been phased out because of quality concerns. तंबीह जारी की गई कि 1 or 2 universities have announced admission to unauthorized BA, BSc and MA, MSc programs. While this will earn money for the university, it will not be in the interest of the students. These discarded degrees will not enable students to apply for jobs or for further education. Students को मज़ीद ख़बरदार किया गया कि the decision to phase out both the programs and replace them with a single composite 4-year BS degree was taken in back 2004. However, universities were allowed to continue both systems in a transition period. In 2011, the associate degree AD was announced as an alternative to the BA BSc degree. Associate degree is equivalent to 14 years of schooling and entitles graduates to get admission in the 5th semester of the respective BS programs after fulfilling the admitting university's requirements. आखिरी BA BSc प्रोग्राम्स की डेट से मुतनबा किया गया कि in 2016 the transition period was concluded and a final decision made to stop admissions in BA BSc programs on December 31, 2018 and in MA MSc programs on December 31, 2020. It was also decided that the last BA BSc exam would be held in 2020 and that the admission to the last batch of MA MSc students would take place before December 31, 2020. These decisions were confirmed in 2017 and again in 2018, 2019 and 2020. HEC ने कोरोना के हवाले से फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी दिए जाने का एतराफ़ किया और स्टूडेंट्स को नई डेट्स के बारे में भी आगाह किया। उनका कहना था कि however, because of the disruption caused by the coronavirus, the following flexibility was allowed. Number 1, universities were given a grace period of 3 months. Please note, just 3 months to conclude the final BA BSc exam before March 31, 2021. Similarly, the deadline for admission to the final cohort of MA MSc programs was extended to March 31, 2021 so that the final cohort of BA BSc students could apply for admission. HEC ने नए दाखिलों के हवाले से भी वज़ाहत जारी की कि in addition, holders of BA BSc degrees were allowed to apply for admission in the 3rd year or 5th semester of the BS program, subject to the completion of a bridging semester or any additional course requirements that the university may impose. Any student who has missed the deadline to get admission to the MA MSc programs can apply instead for admission to the 3rd year, that is 5th semester of the BS program, which is a far superior option. HEC ने मुस्तकबिल के डिग्री होल्डर्स के हवाले से भी हदायत जारी की कि फ्रेश स्टूडेंट्स कैन बी एडमिटेड either directly into the 4-year BS program or in the 2-year associate degree programs offered through recognized campuses, constituent and affiliated colleges in place of the old BA BSc programs. HEC ने वाज़े तौर पर ख़बरदार किया कि in case of admission in illegal and phased out programs, the students will end up bearing all risks and costs or any associated loss incurred. HEC cannot recognize degrees of students who enrolled in conventional BA/BSc programs after December 31, 2018 and in MA/MSc after March 31 and 2021। तो ऑडियंस, दोस्त अहबाब को भी यूनिवर्सिटियों के स्कैम के बारे में आगाह कीजिए और मज़ीद इसी तरह की मालूमाती ख़बरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए हमारे चैनल को। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़ व नासिर।